Hello guys, today we look beef stew recipe. How to make Kerala beef stew, traditional beef stew with step by step. Kerala beef stew is a traditional Christian dish, an excellent side dish for Easter or Christmas and best served with Kerala appam and easy and quick to make in pressure cooker. Beef is cooked in coconut milk with potatoes and whole spices, which makes it more flavorful and yum. Nadan beef stew is always a showstopper at special occasion like birthdays, baptisms, or for an elaborate Sunday meal. You can use instant coconut milk powder instead of fresh coconut milk. Beef stew recipe with step by step. Ingredients: beef 300 grams cubed, potatoes 2 cubed, onions 2 sliced, green chilies 6 to 7 slit, ginger 1 inch sliced, cloves 3, peppercorns 6 to 7, cardamon 3, thin coconut milk ½ cup, vinegar 1½ teaspoon, pepper powder ½ teaspoon, salt ½ teaspoon. To temper: coconut oil 2 tablespoons, cinnamon ½ inch, cardamon 3, cloves 3 to 4, whole peppercorns 4, curry leaves 1 sprig, thick coconut milk 1½ cups, cornflour 1 teaspoon heaped, pepper powder ½ teaspoon. Method: put the beef, sliced onions, slit green chilies, sliced ginger, whole spices, 3 cloves, 3 cardamons, ½ inch cinnamon, 6 to 7 whole peppercorns, and 2 cubed potatoes. Add in ½ teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon vinegar, ½ teaspoon pepper powder, and ½ cup thin coconut milk. If using coconut milk powder, mix 1 tablespoon of powder with ½ cup milk. Mix everything and pressure cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After the first whistle, simmer the fire for 20 minutes. After the steam is released on its own, open cooker and check whether beef is cooked. Heat another pan or kadai with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add in ½ inch cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 whole peppercorns, 3 cardamon and allow it to splutter. Add in 1 sprig curry leaves and then add in the contents from the pressure cooker. Allow it to boil, add salt if needed. Pour in 1½ cups of thick coconut milk mixed with 1 heaped teaspoon of cornflour. Mix well and once it starts to boil, sprinkle ½ teaspoon pepper powder. Simmer for 1 minute and switch off the fire. Serve after 2 to 3 minutes with appam.